I am not touching the keyboard. This script can log in, open a profile, like a post, and leave a comment automatically. Today on Naga Automates, we are going to build an Instagram bot. Install required library. Let's code. First, we import Selenium modules to control the browser. Import WebDriver, it launches Chrome. Import by to find buttons and text. Import keys to press keyboard keys like enter.
Import service, it manages Chrome driver execution.
Configuration section. Here we keep all sensitive details in one place: username, password, and friend's profile, and the comment text.
For now, I will skip the credentials and add them at the end. You also remember, never hard code real credentials when sharing code publicly.
Using Chrome Driver Manager, Selenium automatically downloads and manages the correct Chrome driver. Next, define login function. In this function, Python opens Instagram, waits for the page to load, types the username and password, then presses enter, just like a real human login. Now define a function which interact with your friend's profile. In this function, the script opens the friend's profile, clicks the first post from the grid. It means latest post of the profile, likes the post, and finally adds a comment automatically. Instagram loads content dynamically, so without proper delays, Selenium will fail. That's why we need time.sleep. Here you can provide your username and password and your friend username. Save it, run the script. You can see browser automatically open. Fill the login form and enter. And it's open my friend's profile. Finally leaves a comment. Warning, do not use this for spamming or you will get banned. Use it for learning. Code is in the description. Subscribe for more automations.